Ever feel overwhelmed by financial choices? You're not alone. Credit cards, loans, investments. It's a lot, isn't it? The sheer number of options can be paralyzing. Most of us never learn to swim in this vast ocean of money. We're thrown in, expected to float, without any guidance or training. No wonder so many of us struggle. The stress can be overwhelming, leading to poor decisions. But just imagine navigating your finances with confidence. Picture yourself making informed choices with ease. Understanding how money works is power. It's like having a map in a foreign land. That's financial literacy, your key to financial freedom. It unlocks doors you never knew existed. It's about making informed decisions, building wealth, and achieving your dreams. It's a journey, not a sprint. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a secure future, a future where you feel safe and prepared. It's about taking control of your money, not letting it control you. Regain your power and stability. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Together we'll explore the world of financial literacy and unlock your potential. Financial literacy is simple. Understanding how money works. Earning, saving, spending, investing. It's the foundation of financial well-being. Without it, we're vulnerable. We make poor choices, fall into debt, miss opportunities. Sadly, most lack this vital skill. They live paycheck to paycheck, stressed about money. They don't understand interest rates, investments, or financial planning. This ignorance costs them dearly, but financial literacy empowers you. You make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. You build a secure future for yourself and your family. It's time to equip yourself with this essential life skill. We learn math, science, history in school, but money? Rarely. We're taught to work for money, not how to make it work for us. This leaves us unprepared for real-world finances. Why the gap? Some say it's about control. Keeping people financially ignorant keeps them dependent. Others blame outdated curriculums, slow to adapt to our financial world. Whatever the reason, the result is clear: generations ill-equipped to manage their finances. This needs to change. We need to demand financial education in schools, empower ourselves with knowledge. Beyond budgeting, understanding the financial world. Financial literacy is more than just budgeting. It's about making informed decisions that can shape your future. It's understanding how the financial system works, from the basics of saving and investing to the complexities of global markets. It's about knowing different financial products, their benefits and risks. This includes everything from insurance policies to mortgage contracts, credit cards, mortgages, insurance. These aren't just words. They're tools that can either help or hinder your financial journey. Learn to use them wisely, and they can help you build wealth and secure your financial future. Ignore them, and they can lead to financial ruin, causing stress and anxiety. It's also about understanding behavioral economics, how our emotions and biases affect our financial decisions. We often make irrational choices driven by fear or greed, which can have long-term consequences. Recognizing these biases is key to making sound financial decisions and achieving financial stability. Your action plan. Steps to financial mastery. Ready to take control? Here's your action plan, a comprehensive guide to mastering your finances. Educate yourself. Read books, articles, attend seminars. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Track your spending. Understand where your money goes. This is crucial for identifying areas where you can cut back and save more. Use budgeting apps if needed. These tools can simplify the process and help you stay on track. Save consistently. Even small amounts add up over time. Make it a habit. Set aside a portion of your income regularly. Invest wisely. Learn about different investment options and choose what aligns with your goals. Diversify to minimize risks. Seek professional advice. Don't be afraid to consult a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous improvement. It's an ongoing process of learning and adapting. Stay informed about new financial trends and strategies. Start today, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Every step you take brings you closer to financial mastery. Take control. Chart your course. You have more power over your financial future than you think. Financial literacy is the key. It's time to break free from financial ignorance, from feeling overwhelmed and insecure. Take control of your money. Don't let it control you. Curadebt. Educate yourself, make informed decisions, and chart your own course to financial freedom. Want more resources and guidance? Visit my website and subscribe for ongoing tips and insights. Your journey to financial mastery starts now.